and I'm going to be taking the car over to the body shop and have the respray of the car started as the next phase. And let's walk over and take a look at some of the components that were swapped out. I'll be there in a second. And normally with the timing gears, the original one was plastic coated. In this particular instance, none of the teeth were worn out. And the cam was also in excellent condition, which is consistent with an original 47,000 mile car. The original pistons and the other ancillary components. The old distributor, which was replaced with the Pertronix electronic ignition distributor, along with electronic ignition specific wires and the electronic specific flamethrower coil. Okay, the engine's running very smoothly. And today is August 1st. This is George in Florida. The next video will be me delivering the car for respraying in the original Color Coat 95 Briarwood Brown.